Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. I'm back here again with another video, and this time it's again physics related, but except instead of turning into Oppenheimer and Newton, I turned into the creator who made the roller coaster. So here I have my roller coaster for my physics project, which I made out of this foam piping, which I have one right here as an example, which I cut in half in order to create this smooth track for our marble to go across. Now right here we have an angle which is around 57 degrees, which we measured. Ours is 57 degrees. Normally in a roller coaster which you would go and ride on, this angle is around 57 to 60 degrees, and ours is 57 to ensure maximum possible mechanical energy driven here. So now as we go along our roller coaster, right here we have our first vertical loop, which is 13 inches in length. You can convert that to centimeters. And right here we have our first loop right here, or our first hill right here, which is 11 centimeters, same as this toilet paper. And then we have the flashlight right here, which is a small 3 centimeter hill. And then right here we have our 40-degree angle and our 40-degree turn. And you might be wondering, what are these two marbles doing right here? Well, this is to ensure that we get an elastic collision, which is where energy is conserved from the beginning of the track to the end of the track. So these two help to create an elastic collision where eventually this will collide and it will fall into the cup right here, which is 9 centimeters, aka 3 inches around a gap right here. So now I'm going to test one for you and show you guys how this actually works, because obviously I can't leave it up to your imagination because that would be difficult. So I want to start it from right here where this blue tape marker is, and I'm just going to let it go, and we're hopefully going to see what happens. And there we have it, folks. That's how my roller coaster project works. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and be sure to check out my other videos, and you can even check out my other physics project, that catapult one. You'll be sure to get a good grade on this one too, I promise you. Be sure to check out my website, ayananoma.com, and be sure to buy my books because I really need that money, and I did publish a new book in my new book series, a black book called The Moon of Hope. So be sure to check that book out, and be sure to check out all my Instagram, my TikTok, all my social media basically. I hope you all do well, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye, future roller coaster makers. Yes, please enjoy this little montage. Be sure to check out my website, ayananoma.com, and be sure to buy my books because I really need that money, and I did publish a new book in my new book series, a black book called The Moon of Hope. So be sure to check that book out, and be sure to check out all my Instagram, my TikTok, all my social media basically. I hope you all do well, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye, future roller coaster makers. Yes, please enjoy this little montage. And before I move on into this video, I'd like to do a small quick update on how our project actually went at school, where me and my teammates actually built this thing from scratch. And here it is. And it was, alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, successful. A perfect elastic collision can even be shown.